diverse Garifuna community. We have Garifuna people here from Guatemala, Honduras, and Belize. So today we are celebrating the Garifuna Settlement of Belize. One of the several settlements that they made, but the main settlement that we're celebrating is when they arrived to Belize in 1832, led by then. So this is the settlement day that we are celebrating today, and officially, when we get to April, it will mark the grand settlement of when we arrived to Honduras. But right now, we're celebrating the arrival to Belize in 1832, led by a Mexico family. People are coming in, they're starting to gather. It's raining outside, but it has not dampened our spirit here in Los Angeles. We're going to celebrate with our ancestors and just, have a good fete.
Well, welcome again from Los Angeles, California. This is Nativity Catholic Church, and we're here during the Garifuna Settlement Day, Garifuna Balicina. And as you can see, there's a lot of people that are coming in, even though it's raining outside, but it is getting packed. And we're about that time where the procession, the Yurumen, is gonna come in from that door right there with the drums and the committee, and then we'll get started with the Garifuna Settlement Day Mass from Los Angeles, California at Nativity Catholic Church. Again, Cheryl.
So we're going to continue to film throughout the event so you can kind of have the feel of what we're doing here. This is the tradition here in Los Angeles. It's the one that we look forward to it once a year. It's pretty much like an annual thing that we all get together and we just celebrate, our heritage, our culture, our identity. We have great character food, after mass, so again, throughout the event, we're going to be filming live and just showing you what's going on over here. Enjoy.
All right, so we're gonna come back later on when we're in the middle of the Mass. We're gonna come back with a live. So stay tuned as we are celebrating Garifuna Settlement Day from Los Angeles at Nativity Catholic Church. Today being the 15th of November, year of the Lord 2025. So yes, stay tuned. Ayo.